Intense conjecture has arisen as a result of Huawei Technology's decision to remain silent about specifics of the cutting-edge semiconductor that drives its brand-new Mate 60 Pro premium smartphone. Here are several explanations as to how Huawei obtained the chip. SMIC, China's leading semiconductor manufacturer, produced the chip for Huawei. Although Huawei and Semiconductor International Manufacturing Corp. (SMIC) failed to disclose information, this is the most likely reason. The Central Processor Unit (CPU) of the Mate 60 Pro was determined by the Chinese benchmarking website Antutu based on tests performed on the smartphone to be the Kirin 9000s from Huawei's chip design company HiSilicon. The research firm TechInsights said in a message on its WeChat account that SMIC utilized existing machinery and used its second-generation N+2 node 7nm process to create Huawei's 5G-capable Kirin 9000s. The California-based research company said that it will provide further information about the phone's connection the following week. If true, it would be a significant victory for Huawei's smartphone business as well as a breakthrough for China's semiconductor sector. But SMIC shouldn't have been allowed to produce cutting-edge semiconductors for Huawei under the US restrictions. For the new phone, Huawei used processors from its own stock. According to this justification, the processors in Huawei's new phone are stock components that were produced by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, before to September 2020, when the U.S. intensified its sanctions on Huawei and all of its subsidiaries and imposed a broad ban on their access to cutting-edge chips. Since TSMC produces silicon wafers using U.S. core technology, it was necessary for it to abide by the sanctions requirement. Before TSMC severed connections to comply with U.S. sanctions, it was known that Huawei was storing chips from its HiSilicon business. Some experts speculate that Huawei may have utilized these old chips in the new phone, with some repackaging and tweaks. If this scenario is accurate, it would imply that Huawei continues to lack access to cutting-edge technology because of U.S. restrictions.